What's going on, y'all? Tell y'all about a heater. Okay, I got this new Mr. Heater in, and got the instruction book. Nowhere tells you nothing. I'm gonna have to excuse the house we're remodeling. So that's garbage, like always. Shouldn't needed one. And nobody tells you where the placement of the battery is for that igniter right there that you need to light you heater. And so I'm gonna show y'all this little thing right here, which is your igniter. If you unscrew it, right there, grab that out, throw it aside, get your other one, you drop it down in there. You put the positive side for the focus. This one's a AAA battery, but you put the positive side of it up, screw that back down on there, and it gotta be super tight. Got your pilot on. I'm try to do this one-handed now. Yeah, I'll say that's working. There we go. Can do it one-handed. So yeah, there you go. Right there. That's where your battery is. Hope this helps somebody.